What is going on, everybody? Hope everyone's having a great and wonderful weekend. Sorry it's been so long since the last video. For some reason in Denver, we had the coldest November on record for like the last 22 years. So kind of put stuff on the back burner. Today it's actually pretty nice, but it's supposed to start going back to snow tomorrow if the weather people are right. But I want to start this video off with, that first video of the dyno pull. So what we ended up doing on that one was about 172 at the rear wheel, and then about 76 foot-pounds of torque. Now, can I say that's good? Can I say that's bad? I can't, because I never did a baseline pull before we did all the modifications. Now, I know some people are going to say low, but what you need to understand when it comes to dynos, no two dynos are the same. They're only as good if they've been maintained, the person operating them. And you got to kind of ask yourself, because after the dyno pull was done, the first thing that they went to was saying that the exhaust was restricted. Okay, so I did some back and forth with Chris Moore over at Moore Mafia, and we've come to the same conclusion. Either their dyno's reading low or it was flipping, because the setup I have is fine. But just like always, I can't leave well enough alone. So what I ended up doing is got a new canister to see if that helps. I'm guessing it won't, but I also did it because it didn't really like the looks of the stock one that's on there now. At first I did, but the more I look at it, I'm like, kind of looks out of place. And as I've said in the last video, when I did all the modifications there, filtered the block offs, got the computer in there, and did the mid pipe, that it was modular. So what's nice is all I have to do is get any slip-on that will work for the stock exhaust. So what we're going to be doing today is going to be doing the Aero canister. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get you a cold start with the stock exhaust, and then I'll get that installed. And what we'll do is do another cold start with the Aero. I don't care what anyone says, that still sounds pretty damn good with the stock exhaust. So let me go ahead and get this canister installed, and we'll do a cold start up on that. I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, guys, and just like that, she is on. Let's see what she sounds like. You'll be doing the first startup with me. So let's check her out. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to give that an A+. One thing about Aero is I've run Aero on a lot of my bikes. My old R1's had it. My ZX10 has had them. I don't think they get the credit they deserve. Everyone talks about a Krapovich and this and that. And don't get me wrong, a Krapovich is good stuff. I've run their stuff as well. For some reason, I just keep getting pulled towards the Aero stuff. So there she is. Let me know what you guys think. Do have some goodies coming up. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. Got the rear set still to do. Doing a 1 down, 2 up on the sprockets. I'm going to be doing a frame slider review next too. As you can see, it's already got the Vortex on there. We'll go in depth on why I'm trying to find a better set. And then I want your guys' opinion. Came across a 2016 anniversary edition seat cowl because it's been 9 months since I ordered my red one. Still haven't seen it. So I jumped on this thinking I was going to paint it the white, but it actually matches the yellow on the front. So I'm kind of going back and forth. I mean, it doesn't look like it's out of place. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are, and hit me up. Let me know what you guys want to see next and what review you want to do, and we'll go from there. Appreciate the time. Everyone stay safe. All right, so here's a side-by-side. I did put them on the scale. The Aero canister does come in about 5 ounces lighter than stock. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but this is the Aero straight through. And here's the stock one. Opening on the Aero is definitely larger, so see if it helps it breathe. Let me go ahead and get that on, and then we'll do the sound test. Since I've already done most of the grunt work with the mid pipe, stock canister came off, 2 bolts, no problem.